Hey guys, welcome to Safi Mixed. In this video, you will learn how to sort out data in Mathematica. For example, here I have a list of data containing integers, rational numbers, and complex numbers, and I want to extract these numbers into separate lists, and I have put them into a tab view like over here. For example, the first tab, if I click on it, it contains rational numbers that are present inside this data. The second tab, which I have labeled with int, provides me the list of integers that are present inside this data. And the third tab contains the list of complex numbers present in this list of data. So let's understand how can we do this. Here I'm creating data from this equation 13 minus iota times 4 raised to the power x the whole divided by 3, and I'm varying x from 0 to 15 in the steps of 1 through the table command. If I run this, it gives me this data. Now I want to extract first a rational number from this data, and that I can do through the command cases. I write cases, and here I add tab 1, which contains the data, then I add underscore, and I add the head rational. And if I run this, it will give me the list of rational numbers inside this data. If I replace the head rational with head integer, it extracts the list of integers inside this data. And if I replace the head integer with head complex, it extracts complex numbers and put them in the form of a list like over here. Now I want to extract all these numbers and put them into a list of lists. That I can do by creating a list of all the three types of integers and putting them in this order: tab 1 underscore rational, then comma. Now repeat the same for the rest by putting tab 1 and then underscore int integer, and then with comma cases tab 1 and underscore complex, and then I close the square bracket and run this. It will list the rational numbers in the first sublist, the integer in the second sublist, and the complex numbers in the third sublist. And now I want to put this list in the form of a tab view like you saw in the start of this video. So what I do here, I add tab view command and put them all inside the argument of tab view by adding square bracket at this position, and then run it. It convert this into a tab view where the first tab contains rational number, the second tab integers, and the third tab complex numbers. I want to give heading to these numbers by adding this, and to the second one integer, and to the third one. Because if I run it, the tabs would accordingly be denoted. So the first one carries rational number, the second one integer, and the third one complex number. I can do a few more things. I can change the colors of the tabs by adding label style, and I call this red. If I run this, it would read the labeling of the tabs. And similarly, I can change the background by adding a command background, and I put this light blue. So this way you can sort your data and Mathematica. If you haven't subscribed to Safi Mix, kindly support the channel by pressing the subscribe button and also by pressing the like button on the video. Thanks for watching.